To troubleshoot EveryDollar savings goals. Start by reviewing your budget and ensuring all income and expenses are accurately tracked. EveryDollar is a budgeting tool that helps users manage their finances and achieve savings goals. But sometimes issues may arise that prevent goals from being met. First, log into your EveryDollar account and navigate to the Savings Goals section. Check if your goals are correctly set up and if the target amounts and deadlines are realistic. Make sure you have enough funds allocated to each goal and that the amounts are being deducted correctly from your budget. Next, examine your budget categories to ensure you are not overspending in any area. If you find that you are consistently going over budget in a particular category, consider adjusting your spending habits or allocating more funds to that category. This will help prevent unnecessary expenses from interfering with your savings goals. Another key step is to track your progress regularly. EveryDollar allows you to monitor your savings goals and receive updates on your progress. Use this feature to identify areas where you may be falling behind and make adjustments as needed. If you are still having trouble meeting your savings goals, consider seeking assistance from a financial advisor or using the EveryDollar support resources. The EveryDollar website and mobile app offer a range of tools and guides to help users troubleshoot common issues and stay on track with their savings goals. By following these steps and staying committed to your budget and savings plan, you can effectively troubleshoot EveryDollar savings goals and achieve financial success. Remember to stay patient and flexible, as budgeting and saving is a process that requires ongoing effort and attention. With the right tools and mindset, you can overcome common obstacles and reach your financial goals.